Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can outrun your competition, um, improve your online presence, and of course get more customers. So first things first, I got your website blog here, and one of the things that I can strongly suggest is adding more content, and not just images but wording. When you add more words, it has to be original, it has to be relevant, and they have to include the keywords they're going to be found for. So also here, it doesn't really tell me what areas are you covering. So for the purpose of the video, I'm going to be doing a search for the whole state of New Jersey. But let's take a look here on the back end of your website, and you're only being found for 11 keywords, and that's roughly bringing you 2 visits a month to your website. If we look on the keywords that you have here, there's nothing really relevant but the name of your brand. So something you want to consider is again adding that content that your website needs. So, for example, let's do a search of paving company in New Jersey, and the first thing we're going to see here is the Google traditional Google ads. This is where you pay every time somebody clicks on your ad, and depending on the keyword that they're searching, the price can vary. Next, we have the map section, and this is something you want to be at because regardless of your location, you can cover multiple areas, the whole state of New Jersey, even other states like Pennsylvania or New York or who knows, maybe Delaware. But this is something very important to be at. And if you're not ranking here, that means that most likely you're not going to be ranking in the organic results. So we have the Blue Book. A lot of people know this because I've been working with other contractors. Um, there's another directory, and we have these guys over here, the ranking number three. And let's see why the ranking number three and you guys are not. So uh, let's take a look, and you can see that their website has a little more content, but not as much. So that can be really a good advantage for you because if you add more content that they have, you definitely will start outranking them. Um, they seem to have more pages, of course, for each one of the services that they have. And to compare you, let me see, you only have three more. But again, it, even if you only have three, if you will have the right amount of content, you can definitely start competing with those. You can see that you only have a few images. And here's something interesting. Each one of the images that you upload, it has to include keywords. So for example, paving service New Jersey or paving company New Jersey instead of 71, 72, and so on. And you can tell that they have more. They have a lot more. So um, that's one of the main reasons. But if we look on the back end of their website, you can see that they're being found for 376 keywords, bringing them um, an average of 106 visits to their website a month. And they have over 3,000 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioning your website. And when this happens, it will give you power. The rating will start climbing on these two numbers over here and will definitely help you to be found on Google. Now, not all links are created equal, so you can have hundreds or thousands of backlinks, but if they're not relevant, if they're not powerful, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you're going to be found for, it's going to be completely useless. For this amount of backlinks, these numbers should be a little bit more higher than they are right now. So another good news, they seem to have weak links on this, but it all depends. If we see, let's take a look on the keywords they're being found for. Um, you can see here paving NJ. It has an average of 250 searches a month, and they're ranking number three. So those from these 250 searches, 28 are actually going to their website, and you can take a part of this advantage of these searches if you will be targeting this asphalt paving NJ 200 searches, and it's bringing them the ranking in the first place as well, not second position, but they have 10 visits for that keyword. And we can go on and on, but I don't want to bore you, because I don't want to take too much of the time. So to wrap this up, target the correct keywords with the proper content. Definitely add more content to your website is going to help you a lot. And if you're going to be running a marketing campaign, make sure that um, backlinks and everything that's going to affect your rating, they have to be relevant. They have to be um, targeting the services that you want to be found for. Um, Again, if you guys think we can help you out, or even if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.